Good morning and greetings to all parents, guardians and students from Sandeep serves Doon Defence Academy, Dehradun. At this academy, the latest course 3 of NDA foundation course is in progress and the students have just returned from their summer vacations. The kind and quantum of appreciation that has come from the students and the parents encourage us to do even more for these students. Parents have conveyed that they have seen visible and overt signs of personality transformation in their wards. They have become more focused, more concentrated, more organized in many aspects of their personality while they were at leave also compared to what they were earlier. Now this shows us the kind of state-of-the-art infrastructure, the experienced faculty, the dedicated staff that we have at Doon Defence Academy, Dehradun, which ensures controlled, formatted and enriched environment of academics and extracurricular activities, which grooms these kids in various facets of personality, which will lay the foundations for a well-groomed person in times to come. And these activities are on campus as well as off campus, but in a very controlled and supervised environment, so that slowly they learn the ropes of life. All the social media platforms are testimony to these kind of activities and the curriculum that we run 24/7 for grooming of these kids into very balanced human beings and walk into different walks of life as empowered citizens. Encouraged by these kind of appreciations from one and all, we are shortly launching by the December this year 3 other foundation courses besides NDA foundation course. That is foundation course for JEE, foundation course for commercial pilot license and also foundation course for preparation for merchant navy. 21 years of rich experience of Doon Defence Academy in the field of education and career building of the students gives us the most nuanced expertise to give wings to the dreams of your wards, and thus DDA is a home for everybody away from home to groom in a manner that they find an enriched career in their lives and live a happy, contented and enriched life forever thereafter. For any other queries, any other long-term career plans or any other point that parents wish to clarify, they can contact us. Our numbers are displayed and we are on all social media almost. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.